back with another video, guys. Now, if you haven't heard of, guys, Nashville, Tennessee had a tornado early this morning at 1 o'clock, guys. It hit Nashville really hard. It hit similar like the one we had in 1998. Like, it was like 22 years ago. Now the tornado has hit Nashville, bro. I hope anyone's safe in there. I hope anyone watching this video out there in Nashville or anyone out there parts of the world know that we had a tornado. That it was horrible, guys. Hope anyone safe there. Prayers to anyone in Nashville for that tornado, guys, in their homes, guys. I'm gonna show you a little bit, a clip of it, what was going on, a tornado on the news before I do. Hope we see you again. Bye.
Caused significant damage to Nashville, through northern parts of downtown as it crossed multiple interstates tonight. We've already seen one live look from Chris Conti. Matthew Torres is in East Nashville. Jason, give me the location one more time. He's in East Nashville, I believe, Woodlawn. Let's check in with Matthew. Matthew, let us know where you are and what you're seeing.
Hey Bree, that's right. We're just near Five Points area on Woodland Street right now. I want to show you, this was so obvious that we had to stop here. This is the Basement East on Woodland Street, a popular music venue here in East Nashville. As you can see right now, this really is the result of that tornado, as the roof has just been blown off. The side of this wall has just been crushed in. You can see the water line just now gushing out water across this property. This is quite the sight to see. I did speak to some folks just standing around here. Apparently the workers, they just closed right before the strong winds moved through.